What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Zee Mann here, back once again in Hoover, and we found another abandoned something. I really don't know what this is, and it looks closed. Well, obviously it is closed. It looks like they need some work on it. Couple of lights on. Wow, this building got a small looking roof. But it looks maybe like it was maybe a small looking store, like a Dollar Tree size store. Doors are locked. Maybe this was like a small, I really don't know what this was. Like a clothing store, maybe? Don't know. And there's another piece to it that's gone as well. Piece of insulation on the floor there. But yeah, this place left no scars of what it was before. Maybe it was a clothing store. That's why I'm thinking that it was, because there's like those little small like spotlight things, if you know what I'm trying to say. And there's like a lot of those pillar things that maybe they put clothes on. But there used to be tiles down here, but they stripped this place good. But that's gonna do it for this place. Again, whoa, there's a huge wasp nest right above, hornet's nest right above the door, and I had no clue. So glad I'm finished filming, because, oh, did I check these? This is a large looking area, jeez. I almost ended the video, I didn't even know that these were over here. This is a big store. Or at least a big store that looks that it would take. I don't know what I'm saying. Large clothing store, maybe. I don't know what this was, though. Yeah, and if the front doors don't open, we're not getting in. I'm not going around the back looking for anything. Place obviously has power, so maybe an alarm's on. Not the siren that you guys hear in the background, but I don't know. Yeah, but that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. Like I said, I've been out filming. I've already filmed like 4 places today, so hope you guys like what I'm trying to do. And yeah, I'm pretty much done with this video. I'm not gonna go near that nest. Let's see if I can look for any scars. Maybe there's some, maybe there isn't. Doesn't appear like there is, and I'm not trying to get hit by a car. Yeah, almost did. Yeah, but that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to make every moment great, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace out.